Is snoring affecting your relationship? You know, it's never real pleasant to talk about these kind of things, but it is something that's necessary if you're having this as an issue. A lot of our customers over the years have told us, hey, you know, we have a great mattress, but, you know, my partner's snoring. Hey, maybe you're the one that's doing the snoring, making all the racket. And it can wear and tear on you a little bit, and we understand. I'll tell you a real funny story. Over the holidays, I gained a few lbs. Never really had a snoring issue, but one night my wife wakes me up and she says, hey, you need to quit snoring. I'm like, I don't snore. She's like, no, you're snoring. It's affecting me. It's waking me up. Next night, she starts with the elbow thing. So I'm getting irritated, and I'm thinking, man, this must be very similar to what some of our customers have experienced. The difference is we did something about it. We got an adjustable base. Now, some people say, hey, wouldn't it be great if we had a button on our partner we could push and they would stop snoring? Well, I can't do that, but what I can do is I can get you one of these. Follow me over here and I'll show you how it works. Pretty simple, actually. One of the things we hear a lot of is, hey, I've got a great mattress, but I don't have to buy a whole new mattress to get an adjustable base. Good news is, if you're watching this video, you probably already have a mattress that will work on an adjustable base. Let me show you how easy it is. So you're laying in bed, getting comfortable, you go to sleep, you start sawing logs, you're getting poked by the elbow. All you gotta do is hit the anti-snore button right here. Show you how it works. Just like that. Very simple. It's a button you can push, raises you up slightly, that will open your airways, allow you to breathe better, and can very well stop the snoring dead in its tracks. If you're interested in something like this, all you have to do is call one of our stores, set up a time to come in and take a look. You may say, hey, well, I don't really have time for that. Well, you're already in our system. You can call up here, discuss the options with our sales folks. We have a lot of bedding specialists up here that know a lot about these. They can tell you all about them. And if you tell them that you purchased from us before, they will give you an additional discount on your purchase. Or maybe you already have one of these and you want to share this video with a friend. If they come in and mention your name, not only will they get a discount, but you'll get a cashback reward, part of our referral program. Anyway, this is William with Mattress Gallery Direct. If this is something that's been affecting you, you may want to go ahead and get one of these and take care of that issue.